This is a rough stash. That might be the worst mustache I've ever seen in my entire life. That's awful. Look at it, it's like not incongruent sprigs of hair. Like it
looks like his first
uniform.
Mustache. It looks like a 14-year-old's first attempt, and his someone has to be like, hey, not yet. You're not there yet. Give it a couple more years.
I love it when like high-level hockey players can't grow a beard for shit.
Yeah.
They make a deep playoff run, and it looks like they just started.
Yeah, it's like
now show me Beyonce.
Sidney Crosby always just has like a goatee setup with like a soul patch because that's all he can grow.
Who's this?
Sidney Crosby. Yeah, he never has a good playoff beard. Yeah, because he's like, I bet he's Kyle's age, or almost Kyle's age.
A young whippersnapper.
A young whippersnapper.
He joined the league really young. Like, was he 19?